Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Welcome to the computer class of grade 3. I'm your teacher Wazali Kramsi. And inshallah today we will be studying unit number 7, formatting text in Word 2013. So let's move towards today's work. In today's lesson, the learning outcomes are you will be learning about the formatting text features, the different features which are available in formatting your text. We will be discussing the text color and styles, that how you can use them and where you need to use them. And we will be discussing the official letter format as well. So let's have today's work. Remember my children, today's work is a notebook work, and that's from your book page number 91. Descriptive type questions, and the part A, B and C we will be writing today in our notebook. So part A question is list at least 5 features that can be used to format a report. When you're writing a format, what 5 things you can use in your text font in it. So let's discuss the answer for this one. Yes, my children, the answer for part A is we can use various fonts. As you can see over here in this question answer slide as well, different colors are used for the name of the school, the name of the unit as well, and the question answers as well. So you can use different font styles, colors, sizes, and even the alignment to format a report. Yes, now we have part B question, and remember my children, this is a notebook work from your book page number 91, and you need to write these questions and answers in your notebook. So the question is, what must you do in order to change the font type, size and color of a particular text? If you are writing specific text, what you need to do first? And the answer is, in order to change the font size, type and color, first we need to select the text by using the Ctrl plus letter A key from your keyboard, or you can drag your mouse and select all your text using your mouse as well. So you just need to first select your text which you want to make some change, which you want to format. So that's the answer for your part B. Here we have part C question from your descriptive type questions, and remember my children, this is a notebook work, and the question is, would you consider using text effects for writing an application for sick leave to your principal? Give reasons to your answer. Here we have the part C answer. I would not consider using text effects when writing an application for sick leave to my principal because this is an official letter. Remember my children, whenever you are writing an official letter, we never use any kind of text effects. It needs to be formal and no fancy fonts or effects can be used. So I hope my children have learned today that how you need to write an official letter and what's the format for that one. Now we have finished our today's task, and let's summarize that what we have learned today. You have learned about formatting the text features, how you can format text color and styles, and the format of official letter when you are writing it. I hope it is clear to you my children. Keep practicing in editing text and keep learning new things. We have finished today's work, and now it's your Google Classroom quiz time. You need to open your Google Classroom, and the quiz is there, the things we have discussed in today's lesson. Best of luck to you my children for your quiz today. That's all for today, my children. I hope you have understand today's topic, the things we have discussed about text formatting in Word 2013. Keep practicing new things and keep sharing your great work. Best of luck. Hope to see you inshallah in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.